Okay student, today we will learn mathematics part 2 standard 10. Problem set 5, problem 16. Okay. Problem 16 important. Revision is important. रिविजन करोगे तो अच्छा मार्क आएंगे. ओके ओके 16 प्रॉब्लम ए बी सी पॉइंट दिया है. सर्कम सेंटर फाइंड करना है. सर्कम सेंटर that will take it as O A comma B. So O A comma B is equal to question mark. Okay. We will have distance formula. Okay. To find that BO is equal to CO. Okay. We have the distance formula, but BO is equal to CO. Radii of the same circle. Okay. Therefore, square both sides. BO square is equal to CO square. Squaring both sides. Okay, now let us calculate for BO. Okay, now let's calculate for BO. BO. CO. BO, we have the B point is 3 and 5. And take it as A and B. And C is 2 and 0. Take it as A and B. Take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Take it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we will use the formula here. Okay. So BO square is equal to CO square. Therefore, we want to find by using the distance formula. Okay. This minus this. A minus 3 the whole square plus this. B minus 5 the whole square is equal to CO. A minus 2 the whole square plus B minus 0 the whole square. Now we will expand it. So it will become A square minus 6A plus 9 plus B square minus 10B plus 25 is equal to A square minus 4A plus B square. Okay. You can cancel many things. A square B square cancel हो जाएगा. What is remaining? Write it. Minus 6A plus 9 minus 10B plus 25 is equal to minus 4A plus 4. Okay. I think we can group it. Okay, हम इसको group करेंगे 6A and 4A. So minus 6A plus 4A. And 10B, बस 10B है यहाँ पे माइनस 10B इज इक्वल टू नंबर को साइड लेते हैं 4 minus 9 minus 25. Okay, so what you will get? It will become minus 2A minus 10B is equal to, it is 4 minus 5, it is minus 5 and minus 25. So that will become minus 30. So divide by minus 2, you get A plus 5B is equal to 15, equation 1. Okay, now let us calculate for this. Okay, CO and DO. Okay. So CO is equal to AO, radii of same circle, and square both sides. CO square is equal to AO square, squaring both sides. Okay. Now let us take the point for C, CO and O, C and O, A and O. C is 2 and 0, A and B. And A is 7 and 1, A and B. Okay. But we have already CO. Then now let us calculate by using this formula. So it will become A minus 2 the whole square plus B minus 0 the whole square is equal to A minus 7 the whole square plus B minus 1 the whole square. That will expand it that side. Okay. So we have a square minus 4a plus 4 plus b square is equal to a square minus 14a plus 49 plus b square minus 2b plus 1. एक्सपैंड इट, ओके, एक्सपैंड करो, इसके बाद फिर ग्रुप करेंगे, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे b स्क्वायर. ओके, सो वी विल ग्रुप इट और व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग विल राइट इट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 14a प्लस 49 माइनस 2b प्लस 1. सो 14a एंड इसको ग्रुप करेंगे, माइनस 4a प्लस 14a एंड b को इस साइड ले लेते हैं तो प्लस 2b, नंबर को साइड 49 प्लस 1 माइनस 4. ओके, so how much you will get? It will become 10a plus 2b is equal to 50 minus 4. Okay, so that will get 46. Now divide by 2, so that will become 5a plus b is equal to 23, equation 2. Now bring that equation, first equation. Therefore a plus 5b is equal to 15, equation 1. 5a plus b is equal to 23, equation 2. Okay, multiply this by 5, so you will get 5a plus 25b is equal to 15 into 5. Okay, that will become 75, equation 3. And it is 5a plus b is equal to 23. Subtracted, so that will become 24b is equal to, subtract 75 minus 23, 2, and that will become 52. Okay, okay, so therefore b is equal to 52 upon 24. That you can expand it, it will become 4 into 13, 4 into 6, good, so that will become 13 upon 6. Okay, so that will put it here, put b is equal to 13 upon 6, and simple equation we can put. Okay, I think we can put it in 2. Okay, in equation 2, so 5a plus b is 13 upon 6 is equal to 23. So therefore 5a is equal to 23 minus 13 upon 6. So cross multiply this, 23 into 6. So that will become so that is equal to 138 minus 13 upon 6 minus 13, it will be good. Okay, so that will go 125 upon 6. So 5a is equal to 125 upon 6. Therefore a is equal to 125, 5 into 6. Okay, so cut it, it will become 25 upon 6. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 25 upon 6. So I hope you got this. Now we will do another problem. इतना इजी नहीं है. Okay, it is important. Okay, so what you got finally here? So you got this. So O is 25 upon 6 and B is 13 upon 6. So this is the final answer. Next, we do the second part. Okay, second part is also there. Okay, I have to find the radius. That will do now. ओके, सी वो कैलकुलेट करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 है. ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो 2 वैल्यूज आएंगे, ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे गेट 2 वैल्यू. सो टेक 2 दिस, यहाँ पे 0 है तो विल कैलकुलेट सी वो. सेकेंड पार्ट सर्कम रेडियस. ओके, दैट विल फाइंड इट. Now we have the C and O. C दिया है 2 and 0 and O is given 25/6, 13/6. That will become under root 25/6 minus 2 the whole square plus 13/6 the whole square. Okay, the 6 will go here. 25 minus 12/6 the whole square plus 13/6 the whole square. So that will become 13/6 the whole square plus 13/6 the whole square. So that is 2 times, coming 2 times. So it is 2 into 13/6 the whole square. So root 2 into root 13/6 the whole square. So you can cut it. It will become root 2 into 13/6. Okay. So that we can write it. So that is equal to 13 root 2/6 unit. So I hope you got that. काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम है, लेंथी है. नाउ लाइक टू 17. ओके, 17 प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी इजी है. फार्मूला यूज़ करना है, दूसरा कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, तो सेक्शन फार्मूला क्या है वो लिखते हैं पहले. बाय सेक्शन फार्मूला x इज इक्वल टू m प्लस n. ओके, तो यहाँ पे x1 y1 ले लेते हैं. x1 y1 x2 y2. तो m एंड n दे दिया है 3 प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 प्लस 1 एंड x2 8, x1 4. ओके, सो 24 प्लस 4 अपॉन 4, 28 अपॉन 4 दैट इज 7. ओके, अब y कैलकुलेट करते हैं. y इज इक्वल टू m प्लस n y2 अपॉन y1. सो बनेगा 3 प्लस 1 3 प्लस 1. y2 इज 5, y1 इज माइनस 3. सो दैट विल 15 माइनस 3 अपॉन 4. सो दैट विल बिकम 12 अपॉन 4. सो दैट विल बिकम 3. ओके, सो वी हैव द पॉइंट c x, y इज इक्वल टू 7 and 3. So I hope you got this. Next we do another problem. 18th problem. We have to find what type of quadrilateral. Okay, distance formula use करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, first AB calculate करते हैं. So AB is equal to under root. Formula ये है a and b minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 7 x1 y1 x2 y2. तो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो इट विल बिकम -3 माइनस ऑफ -4 द होल स्क्वायर प्लस 7 माइनस -7 माइनस ऑफ -2 द होल स्क्वायर. सो दैट विल बिकम -3 प्लस 4 the whole square plus -7 plus 2 the whole square. So that will become 1 square plus -5 the whole square. That will become 1 square plus 5 square. So that is equal to root 1 plus 25. That is equal to root 26. Okay. Now let us calculate. AB is over DC का calculate करते हैं. ओके, DC का कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो बनेगा 3 minus 2 and it will become -2 minus 3 the whole square. Okay. So that will become 1 square plus -5 the whole square. Okay, that we calculated here 1 square. So that is equal to root 26. Okay. Now let us calculate for AD, means it is coming same. Now let us calculate for AD. Okay. So for AD ये पॉइंट है, फार्मूला ये है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, सो 2 minus of -4 the whole square, 3 minus of -2 the whole square, so that will become, so it will become 2 plus 4 the whole square, 3 plus 2 the whole square, 6 square plus 5 square, 36 plus 25, add it, okay. So root 61. Now let us calculate for BC, okay. ओके, BC कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, 3 minus of -3 the whole square, -2 minus of -7 the whole square, so that will become 3 plus 3 the whole square plus -2 plus 7 the whole square, so that will become 6 square plus 5 square, 6 square plus 5 square, so that will go to root 61. Mean opposite sides equal are there. Now let us calculate for diagonal. Diagonal is, okay, this is the point. Subtract करेंगे इसको भी, so 3 minus of -4 the whole square plus -2 minus of -2 the whole square, so that will become 3 plus 4 the whole square plus -2 plus 2 the whole square, so that will become 7 square plus 0 square, okay. That will go root 7 square, that is equal to root 7. Now let us calculate for diagonal BD, okay. ओके, डायगोनल BD यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 2 minus of -3 the whole square plus and it will 3 minus of -7 the whole square, so that will become 2 plus 3 the whole square plus 3 plus 7 the whole square, so that will become 5 square plus 10 square, that is equal to 25 plus 100, so that will become root 125, okay. So they are not equal, means it is not rectangle, okay. Okay, now AB is equal to CD, that is equal to root 26, so opposite sides are equal. And this, we also got this AD and BC, okay. Okay, and diagonal AC is not equal, okay. Diagonal AC is not equal to diagonal BD, therefore okay, I hope you got this. Next we do 19th problem. Note, opposite sides are equal and diagonal is equal, means it is a rectangle, but here diagonal is not equal, okay. So it is a parallelogram, okay. I hope you got this. Next we do 19. Say here you want to find all these points, 5 equal parts. Section formula we can do it, but it will be very difficult, okay. It is the midpoint of this, so we can get this, then this is the midpoint, we can get this, so we can do this method, okay. Okay, with midpoint formula. Now R is midpoint of segment QH, because it is 1 1 all are concurrent part. So it is 12 and 14. Take it as x and y. 4 and 18. Okay. Take it as x1, y1. Take it as x2, y2. Now apply the formula. So that is equal to. So r is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2. 12 plus 4 upon 2. 14 plus 18. 14 plus 18 upon 2. So that will become 16 upon 2. It will become 32. 32 upon 2. So that you cut it, it will become 8 and 16. Okay. So you got this r. Now let us calculate for this p. Okay. If you got r, let us calculate p. Okay, I got r. Now let us calculate for p. Bring p, q, r. Q is 12 and 14. It is 8 and 16. Take it as x1, y1. Take it as x2, y2. And take it as x comma y. Q with midpoint. Okay. Q with the midpoint. Q with midpoint of p and r. And that is given. Midpoint is given. So 12 comma 14 is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 plus 8. And y divided by 2 plus y1 plus 16 upon 2. So compare it. Therefore x1 plus 8 upon 2 is equal to 12. Therefore x1 plus 8 is equal to 24. Therefore x1 is equal to subtracted. Okay. Similarly, compare this. So y1 plus 16 upon 2 is equal to 14. So y1 plus 16 is equal to 28. So y1 is equal to 28 minus 16, 12. Therefore point P we got 16 and 12. Okay, now let us, you got this, now let us calculate for A. Okay. Okay, now P is the midpoint for this AQ. So here is this formula. 16 comma 12 is equal to x1 plus 12 and y1 plus 14. Okay, now comparing it, therefore x1 plus 12 upon 2 is equal to 16. Therefore x1 plus 12 is equal to 32. Therefore x1 is equal to 20. Okay. Now calculate for y1. So y1, this part is equal to this. y1 plus 14 upon 2 is equal to 12. So y1 plus 14 is equal to 24. So y1 is equal to 10. Therefore point A, so point A is equal to how much? 20 and 10. Okay. So next we calculate for B. Okay, now let us calculate for B. H is the midpoint. So H is midpoint of segment RB. So this is the midpoint, we write it here. So that is 4 comma 18 is equal to x1 plus x2. So 8 plus x2 upon 2, 16 plus y2 upon 2. Now compare it. Therefore 8 plus x2 upon 2 is 4. x2 plus 8 is equal to 8. x2 is equal to 0. Now compare this with this. So 16 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to 18. So 16 plus y2 is equal to 36. So y2 is equal to 20. So we got B is equal to 0 and 20. You get 0 and 20. Okay. Okay, finally write this. So now let's do 20 problem.